Imagine standing at the base of a mountain, peering up at its towering peak. That's how weight loss can feel when you're just starting out. The journey may seem daunting, almost impossible, but just like climbing that mountain, the secret to weight loss success lies in setting achievable, realistic goals. Think of it this way. If you were to climb a mountain, would you aim to reach the peak in one giant leap? Of course not. You'd break down the journey into manageable, achievable steps. The same principle applies to weight loss. Each small step, each achievable goal brings you closer to your ultimate target. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Achieving your weight loss goals requires patience and consistency. It's a journey, not a race. It's about making gradual changes that add up to significant results over time. Setting realistic weight loss goals is like planning your route up that mountain. It makes the journey manageable, achievable, and far less overwhelming. So, how do you go about setting these realistic weight loss goals? It's simpler than you might think. The key to setting achievable goals lies in the SMART technique. That's right, your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break that down in the context of weight loss. Firstly, specific. Instead of saying, "I want to lose weight," try to zero in on an exact figure. For instance, "I want to lose 10 pounds." This gives you a clear, well-defined target to aim for. Next, measurable. Ensure your goal can be quantified. It's not enough to say, "I want to eat healthier." Instead, specify how you plan to do this. Perhaps, "I will eat 5 servings of fruits and vegetables each day." This way, you can keep track and measure your progress. Now let's talk about achievable. It's crucial to remain realistic. Losing 20 pounds in a week is not only unachievable, it's unhealthy. A reasonable rate of weight loss is 1 to 2 pounds per week, so set goals that align with this. Moving on to relevant. Your goal should align with your lifestyle and personal preferences. For instance, if you're not a morning person, don't set a goal to hit the gym at 6 a.m. every day. Instead, find a workout schedule that fits into your day-to-day life. Lastly, time-bound. Without a deadline, it's easy to keep pushing your goal further into the future. So decide on a reasonable time frame. For example, "I will lose 10 pounds in 2 months." This creates a sense of urgency and keeps you motivated. Now let's piece it all together. A smart weight loss goal could be, "I will lose 10 pounds in 2 months by eating 5 servings of fruits and vegetables each day and working out 4 times a week in the evenings." Remember, your weight loss journey is unique to you. What's important is setting goals that motivate you, that are achievable for you, and that are in line with your lifestyle and preferences. In your weight loss journey, every step forward is a victory worth celebrating. Each stride, no matter how small, is a testament to your resilience and determination. It's important to pause, acknowledge, and rejoice in these moments. They may seem insignificant in isolation, but collectively, they are the building blocks of your success. These small victories serve as powerful motivators, propelling you towards your larger, overarching goal. Each small victory brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Celebrate them and let them fuel your journey. Now that you know how to set achievable weight loss goals, it's time to put that knowledge into action. Don't wait for tomorrow or next week. Today is the perfect day to start. Take the first step towards a healthier you by setting attainable goals. We've made it easier for you. Just click the link in the description below for more guidance and resources. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your weight loss journey today, one achievable goal at a time.